Welcome to Blonde Cards and Crafts. Let's make something together. Hello crafter, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome back if you're a subscriber. Today we're going to make a card, and this is card number 5 using the Love from Lizi November 2023 card kit, and it's called Christmas Ballet. I have links down in the description below, as well as links to my previous 4 cards. So if you need to have anything, have a look in the description. You'll find it down there. So for this card size, we're going to make an American A2 card size. So that'll fit into a 4 1/4 by 5.5 envelope. So this one is going to have a little twist to it. So to make this card base, you will only need a piece of 9 by 4 1/4, and we're going to score it at 3.5, and that'll give us this. So we have a bit missing off our card, but it doesn't matter because our card is going to sit this way, so it'll be fine. I have a piece of holographic card. This piece measures 4 by 5 1/4, and it's going to go inside. And then I have this piece, and this is going to sit on top of it, and that is 3 1/4 by 3 3/4, and it'll sit in there like that. It'll be hidden behind the front of our panel, so we'll have all this lovely gold holographic cardstock, but you can use any color here that you like. You might even decide you want to put a little stamping there if you want. So on the front I have this piece of holographic cardstock, and it measures 3 1/4 by 4, and then on top of that I have this piece, and it measures 3 by 3 3/4. I have a piece of ephemera, the lovely Christmas tree, and I'm going to pop this right down on the edge so it will bridge from the end of our card there right over to the edge of our holographic card here. So this kind of finishes the full length of our card. I have this piece here, which is one of our little gifts. I'm going to pop that in here, and that's going to bridge this piece like so. So when you lift up, look, there's some gifts behind the Christmas tree. I have plenty of room then here to stamp a sentiment, and I'm going to use one of Lizi's Christmas sentiments from a previous card kit, and then we'll embellish it. I'll probably use some of the gems to embellish it, and we'll add some accent glaze to our baubles, etc. So I'm going to go ahead now. I'm going to stamp a sentiment onto this piece, and I'm going to glue down these pieces. Now you can put a little sentiment inside here as well if you want, so don't forget to do that before you do the assembly. So I'm going to go ahead now and do my stamping and then assemble. And there we go. There is our lovely card number 5. And I just like this style of card. How sweet is that? With our Have a Magical Holiday Season. That's a stamp from our stash, but we've got all these lovely, and they're like glitter gems is what I would call them. The only thing I will do now is add a little bit of accent glaze here and there. And I think I might finish up with adding a little gold star. If I can get one out, I think a little gold star up there would be perfect. So if you have enjoyed my video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and don't forget to ding the bell so you'll be notified the next time I post another video. And I'll have another video coming out tomorrow, and that's going to be card number 6 using the Love from Lizi November card kit called Christmas Ballet. All the links you might need are down below in the description, as well as links to the other design team members. So I hope you've enjoyed my video, and until next time, take care, stay safe, and bye for now.